It's a sword. This isn't a straight lane. What are you doing? Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Oh, bro. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Jesus, what is this? Ow! It hit me in the face. Halloween. Alright, I gotta find one of these swords. Broken doll. Well, if that ain't me. What's going on, everybody? I just bought a sword again. And the reason for that is my other two swords are with somebody else right now. I didn't get them back. So, yeah, I gotta get them later today. But I just bought this sword for like $1.30. So, worth it. Also, my other ones were foam. This is plastic. So, I kind of like this better. It's currently sitting through my belt loop. So, I'm looking like a pirate going down the road here. Which is all good. And I'm hoping this weekend provides some good weather. Because last week it said like all this weekend was going to rain. And I got here and it was raining. But now it says it's going to be sunny all weekend and all week. So I don't know, man. Whoever's doing Georgia's weather just doesn't know what they're doing, apparently. I didn't take the tag off the sword and it's like slapping my leg. It's like a tiny little tag. I didn't think it would do that. Oh yeah, you kill those weeds, boy! I may or may not take my bike back to school this week. That's mostly gonna depend on the weather. Because this weather has been sporadic. I can tell you where I go to school though, and it has not rained in like 2 weeks. It's just been ridiculous hot outside. But it doesn't go below 90 degrees till like after 8 p.m. Yar. This sword's turning me into a pirate. What's even a pirate accent sound like? Yeah, give me the booty. I don't know if that's accurate at all. But I'll take the booty. Treasure, I'm talking treasure. Come on, guys. I thought about getting a lightsaber, then I could have put Star Wars music over everything. But I can't talk in a Star Wars accent. Unless you want me to talk like Jabba the Hutt, but he definitely doesn't have a lightsaber. Sorry if I'm getting too nerdy on you. Green lights. Whoa, green lights. Side note, can you get arrested for having a sword on you? Like a fake one, but like I know you can't have a toy gun out. I mean, I guess technically I can because I have a carry permit. I don't know how that works. But like you can get in trouble for walking down the street with a gun. Can I get in trouble for riding my bike with this fake sword on my side? Guess we'll find out. That van just says safe kids. What? 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 I don't care how safe they are in that van. They're not getting in there. Sorry, man. Stay away from my children. Oh, there's a cop up there. I guess we'll find out if this sword is legal. Oh, and I got a red light. Oh, God. What's the speed limit? Uh-oh. Well, at least he's not coming after me. They do like to sit in the empty parking lot a lot. Parking lot a lot. Parking lot a lot. Words. Don't tase me, bro. Look, ma, no hands. The car's window was broken out, and like on the door it said the word hi written in the same duct tape, I think, that was like holding the window closed. That was weird. I don't understand. Yes, sir. It's a sword. Oh yeah, you gotta be prepared. It's a 600. 150, 160, yeah. Don't do that. No, I'm not. Thank you. Hey, I got a buddy of mine that's in the hospital with rehab and really fucking himself up. Yeah, you gotta be safe on these things. Yeah. Alright, thank you. That's cool, dude. You never know about these goons out here. I have this plastic sword on me though, so I'm like 112% safe. Yeah, I bet you guys didn't know, but this sword actually adds 20 horsepower. And +8 top speed. If you're turning right, you can go turn right. This isn't a straight lane. What are you doing? Oh bro, oh bro, oh bro, oh bro. What is you doing? Well, got that on camera. Idiot. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with the sword after I pull it out. I'm scared. I don't want to drop it. I guess I'm gonna just do it. Whatever happens, happens, right? Oh god. It picks up with the wind. I did not expect that at all. Man, this thing is gonna break. Look at that. That's terrible. I accidentally turned my brights on. This is an awful idea. Whose idea was this? Oh, it's mine. It was my idea. I'm an idiot. You killed my father. Prepare to die. Jesus, what is this? Ow! It hit me in the face. That was stupid. This is dumb. I keep turning my brights on. This sword was an awful idea. Her face. Maybe if I put my finger in it? No, it still sucks. This looks horribly dangerous. It's okay if it stays behind the windscreen. But look. Yeah, I'm gonna get off on an exit and come back. I want to race a Corvette. Oh well, I guess I can't wield this on the bike. It didn't work out how I planned. I need like an actual wooden sword. All these cars are gonna be like, what is wrong with this guy? Honestly, what is wrong with me though, for reals? That is a question not even I can answer. Got a sword! I'm an official pirate. What you think, Mr. Garbage Man? You think I'm an official pirate? Because I am. I was certified by Captain Jack Sparrow. Oh. Look at these here trucks. Oh, yeah. Ice cream! Ice cream for ice cream! Why are you so close to my butt? Get off my butt. I don't know who you think you are, but I am an official pirate. Oh, I see the cops out. Little does that cop know, I'm an official pirate. What? I'm sorry, please don't arrest me. His license plate says too solid. I don't care how your poops are, man. Oh my god. I don't think I got that guy on camera, but he looks like an actual pirate. He had the bandana, the dreads. I'm pretty sure that was Captain Jack Sparrow right there. I gotta go give him my sword. Nah, he was a real sketchy looking fella. Oh, by the way, I need to get my drone out, my DJI Mavic Pro. I need to get that out and film some stuff. I don't know. Little. Stop staring at me. I'm insecure. That's some nice dirt you got there. Oh. Sorry, this video was kind of a fail. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Sorry that the video was such a fail. I didn't get to like throw my sword at anything, metaphorically or literally, I don't know. But yeah, that's all I got, so I'll have to catch you guys next time. Always remember, don't lean back in your chair at school unless you're a cool kid, because cool kids do what they want. Make sure you smash that like button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. You know, you guys have a real nice day, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers! That was a full tuck. I literally only do that for the camera. I'm so scared for this camera's gonna fall off again.